Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.